Carl Evans. I'm the Recruitment and Training Officer here at Stately Albion. We manufacture residential park and luxury holiday homes. The company's mission really is to build an academy that's like a production line to recruitment. Taking on apprentices has helped us to continue developing a skilled and motivated workforce and really future-proof our business. We recruit and support carpentry, plumbing, welding apprentices as well as business studies apprentices. We want to develop local talent. We see College Gwent as to being the answer to providing us with skillful people.
Being an apprentice is so much more rewarding because obviously you earn while you learn. Also builds up a bit of maturity as well because you're stepping into the real world. Well, you get to learn everything you want to, and you've got all aspects of learning carpentry in one place.
Well, yesterday I was offered a full-time role down at Stately Albion. So after I finished my apprenticeship, they offered to put me through my gas course, and I'm looking at taking up that option, going through my gas and then seeing where that leads me. I definitely wouldn't be where I was if I hadn't studied the apprenticeship.
For Stately Albion, the benefits of apprenticeship are we get young talent, local talent, and for the apprentices themselves, they get a chance to learn new skills, earn while they learn, and there's potential to progress further within the company.